What is up, guys? And today I'm back with another video. And you know that I said I was gonna record a fidget spinner unboxing video? Well, about that, I got scammed with fidget spinners. My dad bought this gear fidget spinner for me, and it said it was gonna come June 27th, but it got delayed. Well, not even delayed, it didn't even come, and now it says expected by July 1st, and right now it's July 6th, so do not buy from this seller. Let me show you which seller it is. Well, it's not this. Let me show you. Gear. Wait, let me. Fidget spinner. It was $5. Okay, right here. Where is it? I have no idea why it doesn't show the seller I bought it from. I have no idea. Where is it? Three-pronged. Gear fidget spinner, three-pronged. Anyways, it was $5. It was $5, and it says it's 18 right here. I don't know. Anyways, the seller was a third-party seller, so yeah. Do not buy from a $5 gear fidget spinner that is a third-party seller. Do not buy from that seller. Anyways, I got scammed with fidget spinner, which sucks because I just wasted $5, or my dad did. Anyways, sorry guys, it's gonna be moved next month or the month after, the month next month. What? The month after this month. No, the month after next month. Yeah. So yeah, my dad's gonna buy me another one since this one didn't come. So yeah, I got scammed with fidget spinners. See you guys next time.